Hi guys, again this is Dimitri Atis, your friend. Welcome back to this channel with Parler Creole, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so in here, this is a presentation of which is titled Èske questions. Okay, so we're gonna use the auxiliary to do in English to ask questions using just the word Èske only. It doesn't matter how we're going to ask the questions, but it's just gonna be with beginning with the word Èske. Èske. All right, very easy. So we have our first question here. Do you work? That's like Èske ou ap travail? Or we can say Èske wap travail? Okay, again that's Èske ou ap travail? Or Èske wap travail? So we're using the auxiliary to do, but in Haitian Creole, this is translated as we were using the auxiliary to be. That's why we see the presence of the word ap, which indicates the present progressive. Okay, like are you working? But since we're actually using working with the auxiliary to do, so it is Èske ou ap travail, asking do you work? Okay. Our second question is, did you eat? Est-ce ou te mangé? Est-ce ou te mangé? Okay. Now, guys, we're seeing the presence of the personal pronouns that we've seen before, and we see also the word te, which indicates the past simple tense. And of course, the verb or the auxiliary to do is in the past tense. Did you eat? So, est-ce ou te mangé? Just that simple. Est-ce ou te mangé? Est-ce ou te mangé? Est-ce ou te mangé? And the third question is, did they go to the movies? Est-ce yo te allé nan cinéma? Did the auxiliary is in the past simple tense, so we see the word te, which indicates the past simple tense, as we've seen before. Okay? Est-ce yo te allé nan cinéma? Est-ce yo te allé nan cinéma? And we have another example here in the fourth question, which is, did she call her doctor? Est-ce li te rele docteur la? Or est-ce li te rele docteur lia? All right, just so we have a phrase, the question with the contraction and without the contraction, just so we can use whichever works best for you. Okay, I'll go with the shorter form, which is Est-ce li te rele docteur la? Okay, and we have our fifth question here, which is, does he speak Haitian Creole? Est-ce li parle Creole Haitien? Est-ce li parle Creole Haitien? Est-ce li parle Creole Haitien? Okay, and this is our last question here, which actually comes in the past simple tense, but in the negativity, like in the negative way. Okay, and I'll explain that in details. Didn't Paul say that to his mom? Est-ce Paul pat di maman sa? Or est-ce Paul pat di maman li sa? And guys, actually I emphasized on the word pat. Why? Just so I can explain to you guys. The word pat, that's what indicates the past simple tense, but negative, the negative way. Okay? For example, didn't Paul say that to his mom? Est-ce Paul pat di maman sa? And we can use that in any other example. That's pretty much pate, right? To end the word te still there, is that we cut it. Okay? It becomes pat. So anything you would like to use in the past, using the negativity, we'll go ahead and use the word pat in any other example. Okay? It's pretty simple, guys. So guys, as we just talk about the negativity using the word pat, okay, in the past simple tense, why not just going over the negativity in the present tense using the word pa in pa ap, which we actually use instead of the word pa ap, but pop, okay? Pop. So it's pa or pop. And as we see in pop, we see the word ap, which indicates what? The present progressive. But since it's in the negativity form, we use pop, okay? A P, apostrophe, and then ap. Great. Let's go ahead and see some examples. I'm not hungry. Now, I'm not hungry is mwen pa gran goût, okay? That's the auxiliary of the verb to be plus an adjective. Mwen pa gran goût. That's when we use pa, okay? And I'll also explain another form where we actually use pa, okay, on these examples. So we have the second one, which is I am not sick. Again, we have another adjective, sick, okay? So with the auxiliary of the verb to be, again, that's pa. So mwen pa malade. Again, mwen pa malade, okay? So now we're going to use the word pap. Number 3, I'm not plus the ing form of the verb, which is mwen pap manger. Mwen pap manger. That's the only way we use pap is I am not plus the verb in the ing form. Number 4, I am not plus talking is mwen pap parler. I'm not talking. Mwen pap parler. Mwen pap parler. Now, the other way or the other form we can use the word pa as in the negativity in the present tense is with the auxiliary of the verb to do. That's a must. I don't play piano. Mwen pa jouer piano. Mwen pa jouer piano. I don't sing. Mwen pa chanter. Mwen pa chanter. Mwen pa chanter. I don't work. Mwen pa travail. Mwen pa travail. If it was I am not working, it would be just I am not plus working. So it would be what? Mwen pap travail. Mwen pap travail. Thank you so much for watching the video. Again, this is Dimitri Athis, your friend. Do not forget to subscribe, smash the like button, share the videos, turn on the bell, of course. And you can always visit our website at HaitianCreole101.com. Again, that's HaitianCreole101.com. You can always purchase some great items directly from Haiti. And of course, you can donate on the website so we can keep on doing the same thing we're doing here. Again, thanks for the love. We'll see you guys next time in a similar video.